Hello, I'm Mark Tern from Personal Development Training. Today we talk about listing your options for your decision. If you have to make a decision, you have to choose between two or more options. To help your mind clarity, just list your options for your decision. Sometimes these options are already given and you have to write them down. Sometimes they're not yet explicit and you need some brainstorming to write them down. Listing the options is the first step toward making the right decision. My preferred method to generate options that will be meaningful for you is to scan the checklist that follows and write down whatever comes to mind. If these options leaves your mind empty, just skip it after a little thought and go to the next one. How to generate meaningful options. Write down what you could do in agreement with your priorities and values. Write down what you would love to do. Write down what you could do to have what you want. Write down what you know you should do. Write down what you are afraid of but you know would help you a lot. Write down what you would do if you weren't afraid. Write down what you would do if you knew you couldn't fail. There's no reason to struggle with this. Give yourself 2 minutes for every item. It doesn't matter if you don't know what to write. See with what you come up at the end. Make another run if you don't have at least 3 options. Make quicker decisions, create your life.